Good Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even. Brightly shone the moon that night, though the frost was cruel, when a poor man came in sight, gathering winter fuel.
Take the page and stand by me, if thou knowst it telling, yonder peasant, who is he, where and what his dwelling?
Sahib is a goodly place, underneath the mountain, right against the forest fence, by St. Agnes Mountain.
Bring me flesh and bring me wine, bring me pine logs hither, thou and I will see him dine, when we bear them thither.
Page and monarch, forth they went together, through the ruins while lament and the bitter weather. Sigh, the night is darker now, and the wind blows stronger. Fails my heart, I know not how, I can go no longer.
Mark my footsteps, goodbye page, tread thou in them bold.